The way we lead is broken. The old, extractive models are failing us, and sustainability is no longer enough. It's time to step into something bigger, something truly regenerative. This is where regenerative leadership comes in, creating businesses, cultures, and systems that don't just sustain people, business, and the planet, but restore, renew, and enable them all to thrive. It's about composting hierarchical ways and moving into collaborative leadership. It's about shifting from hustle to harmony, from extraction to regeneration, from short-term gains to long-term impact. And believe me, this includes increased profits without sacrificing the well-being of people and the planet. I'm Jackie Merkopoulos, the CEO and founder of Seven Neighbours. My team and I work with leaders, executives, teams, and organizations ready to embrace this shift, helping them transform how they operate, innovate, and lead. Because when we lead like nature, we unlock a future of prosperity, resilience, and possibility for all. The regenerative era is here. Let's build something extraordinary together.